Hello everyone, welcome to Lecture 12 or the Domain 4 of ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity Examination Preparation Series. This domain covers network security and its architecture. The topics which we will be covering in Domain 4 are network basics and definitions, the OSI, the TCP/IP model, IP addresses, port numbers and MAC addresses, Wi-Fi and other wireless networks, virtualization, cloud and distributed computing, fault tolerance and resiliency, data centers, attacks and attackers. Introduction to Domain 4. Domain 4 highlights the importance and scope, emphasizing its comprehensive nature in covering various aspects of network security and architecture. Network basics and definitions. Defines network basics as a set of computers sharing resources or data. It introduces the concept of difference in depth for security, network, devices, protocols, and traffic. Communication types. There are three forms of communication or three types of communication. They are simplex. Simplex refers to one-way communication, that is, one system transmits and the other system listens. Half duplex. It is a two-way communication, but only one direction at a time, which means that one system transmits, the other system listens, the other system transmits, and one system listens. This happens only in one direction at a particular instance of time. Full duplex. It is similar to half duplex, where it happens all the time. Simultaneous two-way communication happens in full duplex. Baseband versus broadband. Baseband networks, baseband have one channel, that is, one signal can be transferred or received at a time. Example, Ethernet 1000 base TAT-T STP cable. Broadband networks. Broadband have multiple channels, multiple signals are sent and received simultaneously. Network types. Internet. Global collection of internet WANs, a patch network of ISPs. Intranet, privately owned network within an organization. Extranet, connection between private internets, often linking business partners. Circuit switching. Circuit switching is expensive but always available. It is dedicated communications channel. It guarantees full bandwidth and operates as if nodes are physically connected by a cable. Packet switching. It is cheaper but no capacity guarantee, but it is widely used. Data is sent in packets taking multiple paths to the destination. Packets reassembled at the destination. QoS or quality of service prioritizes specific traffic over others. It is commonly used for VoIP or UDP traffic requiring real-time communication. Non-real-time traffic is deprioritized to prevent noticeable delays. Personal Area Network or PAN. PAN is a network for communication among personal devices, for example, PCs, printers, consoles. PAN can be wired or wireless. Wired include USB, FireWire. Wireless includes Bluetooth and infrared. Local Area Network LAN. LAN connects devices in limited geographical area. Nodes typically connected via the internet. Metropolitan Area Network or MAN. MAN have a large network spanning a city or a large campus. It connects multiple LANs within a metropolitan area. Wide Area Network WAN. WAN covers large geographic areas like cities, countries, intercontinental distances. It uses various media like telephone lines, cables, and airways. Global Area Network GAN supports mobile users across multiple wireless LANs and satellite coverage. It also enables seamless transition from one network to another. Next comes Virtual Private Networks or VPNs. The VPN is basically used to send private data over an insecure network, typically the internet. It ensures data sent across a public network appears private and secure. OSI and TCP/IP model overview. This domain introduces the OSI and TCP/IP model as a framework for understanding network protocols and communication. There are multiple layers in an OSI model. These are physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. The TCP/IP model layers. It includes network interface, internet, transport, and application. IP addresses, port numbers, and MAC addresses. IP addresses. These are unique identifiers for devices on a network. Port numbers identify specific processes or services. MAC address. These are unique hardware identifiers for network interfaces. Wi-Fi and wireless networks. Overview of Wi-Fi and other wireless networks. Importance of securing wireless networks to prevent unauthorized access. Virtualization and cloud computing. Virtualization means running multiple virtual machines on a single physical machine. Cloud computing is delivery of computing services over the internet. Distributed computing systems where components located on network computers communicate and coordinate their actions by passing messages. Fault tolerance and resiliency discusses mechanisms to ensure network availability and reliability. For examples, redundant system failover solutions. Data centers. Overview of data centers as centralized facilities for computing resources. Importance of physical and logical security in data centers. Network attacks and attackers. Common network attacks include DDoS, phishing, man-in-the-middle attacks, etc. Types of attackers. Types of attackers include hackers, insider threats, cybercriminals. Thank you. This ends the lecture 12. Have a nice day.